The newly sworn-in Prime Minister of Nepal, K.P. Sharma Oli, popularly known for his pro-China stance, is set to lead the new coalition government led by his Communist Party of Nepal and the Nepali Congress led by former PM Sher Bahadur Deuba. Now, Oli's biggest challenge after coming to the power before the general elections in Nepal in 2027 would be balancing Nepal's ties with its giant neighbor, India, because Oli, a well-known China supporter, had previously reached out to China to stoke a populist rhetoric against India. On the other hand, he endorsed a political map in 2020 depicting disputed territories as a part of Nepal. For the unversed, Oli's predecessor, Pushpa Kamal Dahal Prachanda, was forced to step down barely 18 months after he took office, after Oli's party withdrew his support and instead formed a 7-point deal with former PM Deuba. As Oli is taking back the helm of the government, the CPN-UML has said Nepal can attain economic prosperity only by maintaining close, friendly relations with India and that it will not allow any anti-India activity on its soil. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday congratulated KP Oli on being appointed as the Nepal PM, expressing hope that both nations would continue to further strengthen their ties. Responding to the congratulatory message, PM Oli asserted that his government is committed to working closely with India to elevate the historic ties. Notably, PM Modi twice visited Nepal during the time Oli was his counterpart in the past. Notably, KP Oli returns as the head of the government exactly 3 years after he had to leave office after Nepal's Supreme Court foiled his attempts to be close to power, even as a caretaker prime minister, by dissolving the house twice. Massively influenced by the philosophies of Marx and Lenin, Oli has a tumultuous political career marked by frequent clashes with neighboring India. Previously, Oli asserted nationalist rhetoric and took a hardline stance against India over the border dispute, trade and more, particularly during the 2015 Nepal blockade, a step he took after putting the blame allegedly on India's interference. Whereas on the contrary, he pursued closer relations with China, engaging with Beijing in projects under the Belt and Road Initiative. Relations between India and Nepal were strained particularly when Oli claimed that the areas of Lipu Lake, Kalapani and Limpi Adhura were part of the Nepalese territory in 2019. The ties between the two nations worsened after Nepal's upper house of the parliament unanimously passed the Constitution Amendment Bill in May 2020, which included the country's new political map in its national emblem. Following this, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated an 80-kilometer long strategically crucial road connecting the Lepu Lake Pass with Dharchula in Uttarakhand in May 2020, to which Nepal reacted sharply, claiming that the road passes through Nepalese territory. Nonetheless, the baseless claims were rejected by India, asserting that the road lies completely within the Indian territory. Despite his hardline stance on India, Oli has acknowledged New Delhi as a valuable developmental partner and has vowed to strike a balance in relations with India and China.